In this guide, we're going over what relics are and how you can get them here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, relics are essentially buff items that boost your stats overall, and they're extremely important for C2 combat and bosses. Now, obviously, in order to get these relics, you're going to have to go ahead and unlock C2 first. You do this just by progressing things like fragments and map pieces, as well as reaching level 12,500 and of course Ascension level 5. But once you have all of that, you can get relics by going to Bazaar Island in C2, and there's going to be a relic crafter NPC near the Coliseum area. That's where you actually craft those relics. Now, there's a few different relics that you can craft. The luck relic, which gives you 20% luck. The damage relic, which gives you, 30% damage. Crit chance relic, which gives you 5% crit chance. And crit damage relic, which gives you 20% crit damage. And in order to craft them, you're going to need relic parts. And these drop from NPCs here in C2. So essentially just grind NPCs, collect the relic parts, and then craft those relics. Just keep in mind, enemies in C2 do take reduced damage. They take 25% less than C1, the bosses take 35% less than C1, and then of course the World and C bosses is 40% less. So just keep that in mind. The fights will feel harder, so make sure you are using a strong build. If you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.